All right, so there I was minding my own business, and here is Zoom, and I noticed that when I went to the portal, there's this thing called scheduler.
Core praxis.
It changed my life. All right, so yeah, Zoom has added this thing called scheduler. Basically, it's taking Calendly out. If you're not familiar with that is the ability for you to set up a schedule and sync up your schedule and then give somebody the link so they can book a meeting with you. You don't have to hustle with a do you see me? Hey, do you know where you're available? None of that. It's already set up. You give somebody the link, they book your time. Well, now Zoom has scheduler. Now, I don't know if it came out a long time ago or not. You can let me know in the comments. But for me, it's new because I went to the web portal and I was like, whoa, not even on the client. When I looked in the client, the little app on your computer, it doesn't pop up. So when I go here to scheduler, you have the ability now to set up your own things. Now, this is an additional service, but it does cost about half the money. It's half the price of Calendly. So like I said, they're really going at it, and they're taking them out. They're taking Calendly out. Now, the cool thing about the Zoom feature in the Zoom app here for scheduler is that it basically has grabbed the two favorite things that I have. I mean, all these apps have evolved. But Calendly at first couldn't handle, group meetings, like different group meetings, or have a poll or stuff like that. And that's why Doodly, which is another one, Doodly, yeah, you know what I mean. That one set up and it was cool. Well, this one has combined all those features, and you can actually do availability polls. You can do one-to-one meetings. You can do one-to-many meetings, meaning you have a group of people you want to meet up with them. Cool. And since it's integrated with Zoom, now you can also set up invites that are many to many. So like super different hosts. Let me show you. So you click on create the schedule. You go here to the one schedule. So you notice that this is the one-off meeting. This is just like a one meeting thing. And then people can see your availability and book it. Availability poll will be the actual thing where you go, hey, send the link to like 3 people and go, hey, pick the best time that's available according to my schedule. Cool. But when you create a schedule, then you have these options, like I said. So one-to-one, one-to-many, any host available, meaning one attendee, one host, team members can rotate the host, and all hosts available, meaning that anyone can be a host on that meeting. So even though they're picking from your schedule, you can actually switch out the meeting, the hosts. So pretty awesome stuff. I think you should check it out. I have my setups and my meetings here. Here's basically what it looks like for the Style of Origins podcast that I do. You actually go here. I don't need to do it. Just click share. And when you click share, you'll see the links. And you can even generate a QR code. You can add it to email and add it to website, meaning embed it. So this is all part of the scheduler, which is only going to cost you it's going to cost you. I already had Zoom Pro, and when I looked at scheduler, it only cost me $5 more. So we're talking like $60 a year. So yeah, it's a no-brainer. You're paying double with the other apps.
Core praxis.